made in the USA.
This is. It's proud.
It's proud of it.
Look. That's that good stuff.
The choice of champions.
Champion. That's what they say. It's a champion.
Alright, so he finally broke down and bought him some headers for his S10. Not finally broke down, he finally saved up, I guess I should say.
Took a long time.
Yeah, that's about what I'm doing with my truck. I'm going to save up. And Takachi, I think that's how you say it. He said I need to upgrade my fuel rails and regulator, so I might try that. So I'm gonna save up and get that. This is probably gonna be a while. But anyways, today we're gonna mess with the S10 a little bit. Check out these headers.
See what we got. See what we got in here.
He bought the biggest, most expensive headers he got.
He said it gotta breathe.
Gotta breathe. Got rust on it already. Look at them things. Them monsters.
That's a damn monster, ain't it? That's a greasy monster.
Yeah, to keep it from rusting. We got the tag on it. Hustlers. Woo!
Whoa. Here's one box or something.
That's your flanges to bolt them on. Because the pipes are so big, they're going to be in the bolt holes of your heads.
Yeah. That's exactly what this is.
There should be flanges and gaskets in there.
Big boy stuff.
You got some stickers too.
Them some monsters. What is this tiny ass little hole?
The fuck is that? Shit!
No. No. Hell no. What is that? What the hell is even that?
What the hell is even that?
That is smaller. Dude, I'm not happy with that. Hell
Oh,
no.
look at that.
Just look at it. Yeah, well. What the heck is that?
What the hell?
That is funny. I don't know why they done that.
No. Well, that just
That's
ruined.
smaller than the head.
Yeah. That shit. Well, hell, I could have put them cheap ass piece of shits on there. What in the hell? Who come up with that idea? Good God. Well, that's why I bought the big headers.
I think
No.
we gotta port them out, probably. They probably leave it there so you can port it out the way you want it.
You're going to have to port the shit out of it.
Yeah, and the bad thing is I don't have
That's a rip-off.
thingamabobber.
Alright, y'all do good when you sent me the headers, but this right here, that's like, I don't know what kid come up with that.
Yeah, that's kind of...
That wasn't smart at all. Alright, so when you buy these headers, this is what you get, fellas. I waited a long time to get big ones. That's smaller than the little babies I had on there.
Mm-hmm.
Hell, my lawnmower got a bigger exhaust hole than that.
Yeah, that's crazy. It'd be alright. We just gotta pour it out.
That shit looks raggedy. This been uncovered up. It looks like it come out the bushes. This shit looks like it come out the woods.
It's dusty.
Yeah, it's backwoods out the barn. It's the new barn find. That's what it looks like. Will it run? It's been sitting for 20 years.
Oh, yeah.
Probably got dirt divers up in there. I didn't even think about that. I just left the shit open.
Oh, hell.
That's what I do.
So the first thing that I want to do, I don't know if he wants to do it, but I think we should work on these motor mounts, because I don't know if y'all know it, but on the S10, when you buy them motor mount swap kit things, one of them's bigger than the other. I didn't know that. I don't think you knew it either, because we was out here fighting it one day because the engine sits crooked. We actually got it straighter than it was, but I don't know if y'all could tell on camera, but it sits off to that side and it twists. This side's higher, so that is also go around the steering. So I want to take those things off and see if we can even them out, make this engine sit in here straight before we put these expensive headers on here and build an exhaust.
I don't think that we should have to cut. I'm upset with that header place. I don't care for their excuse. I paid them good money. These some of it should be round. They should be polished on the inside edges right there. It's red.
At least to that size, you would think.
Yeah, because I could have just run them little babies. Let's get a look over here and see. Yeah.
This your 3-inch pipe. 3.5 inch. So that's going to turn it right off the header.
Or out the fender. Horn. They ain't gonna run with them little plates on there.
That's some big exhaust.
Look, that shit just throwed in there. They threw that shit in there.
Oh,
Look,
hell.
look at this box. They threw that in there.
What is that box?
I don't know. I don't even know what. It's the muffler, dude. Are you kidding me? They that little? I thought they was bigger than that. Yeah, Lee.
That's the muffler.
Oh, that's a joke. Look, it's bent.
That's your muffler. It ain't muffling much, is it?
That ain't gonna muffle nothing.
Well, at least you can say you got mufflers on it. Is that the same size as this? Should be. Oh, shit.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Got butt welded. This thing's gonna be loud as hell.
A new muffler. Ain't that something?
Maybe
I thought it was about like that
a
long.
foot long.
It was in the picture.
Well, it said a foot long, I believe. I guess they was counting the whole thing.
You can get a lot of pictures. These look longer than in the picture.
Got those. Got some V-bands.
The more you pay, the worse the shit gets.
Really? You looking at your flanges?
Well, this is
still
the
upset
thing.
over there.
Yeah, I am. That pisses me off. But look, this is the problem. So you spend a shit ton of money. It's like the shifter when it fell off in my hand. There we go. All right. I paid big money, and I'm pretty sure that this is not supposed to come off like this. The dollar store super glue is gonna fix this. You spend a shit ton of money on things to make it right. They send you this shit. You got big, huge headers. So now, because we only a small little garage, now we got to go buy a special grinder and tools and gas for a new welder and all this and that, because everything we got to grind that, we got to cut that, we got to weld this. Hell, we could have just bought a bunch of pipes and a pipe bender and built all this shit ourselves. We could have went to old Harbor Freight and bought the old piece of shit pipe bender that just pumped the jack and bought a bunch of pipes and bent them up. But I'm learning.
We can send it back.
No, we're gonna go ahead.
Send it back and go get a pipe bender.
No, because it's more. We already went this far.
This far. Now we gotta go keep going.
Now we gotta buy more stuff.
We gotta buy more
stuff. Cause this kind of stuff. Everything comes from the USA, and then you get these with it. Come from Summit, but made in China.
Yeah, that's Summit brand.
I just don't get it. Summit brand.
Yeah, it's Summit brand.
China?
Nah, I guess they had it made in China. Yeah, just like these pipes, they're Summit too. They're probably made in China. Don't say, but I'm sure they are. The Summit brand.
Horns,
the headers, you know, they're Hustler, Headman headers, so they're supposed to be good. And these are your mufflers or something. I forget what they are. What are they? They don't even say on there.
They just pieces of pipe with a screen welded in there. That's all that shit is.
Right now, I guess we'll go get the, I don't know if I want to show this yet or not. We decided to do something a little different here for times that we're waiting for parts or money and we really ain't got much to do. We're going to have some fun. So we're going to do a, let's say, budget build with air quotes, because this is going to be real budget.
We ain't spending no money.
Yeah.
Not unless we really, really have to.
Unless we really have to. And then
we're going to make parts.
Then we're going to spend the bare minimum. So this is going to be a real budget build. But we're going to go try to pick it up if it runs. Well, here it is. Trying to get some gas. It ain't even got a gas cap on it. Alright. We got the old budget build back here. We're going to try to park it back in the woods. I'm going to try to go up this little hill if it'll make it.
I don't know if anything works.
No.
I don't even know how you do it.
I don't think it works. Might have to just give her some gas.
I don't think so.
We just lost all momentum. Stuck on the hill.
Ain't that some stuff?
All the gas is probably pouring out of it. We ain't got no gas lid.
Shit is a turd, dude. It won't even go up the hill. Oh shit.
Oh boy. Now that's how you do it. From now on, that's how you drive.
From now on, that's how you drive.
This video is all over the place. Look at me. I hit myself in the face with a wrench trying to put on the steering stabilizer on a Jeep. Spent all my money on the budget build truck. So yeah, so we still got to buy the die grinder to widen these holes out on this, and we probably need that tool to try to do something with the motor mounts on the S10 to try to make it engine sit in air level. And we're going to try to get some gas for the welder. And I've never had a welder with gas on it, so we figured we'll try to put this exhaust together with something with gas so it'll be a little nicer. Since he did spend a lot of money on this stuff, try to make it look decent. But here we are, no money, no stuff. So we do got the project what's it called? Project budget project. I don't know what we're gonna call it. I don't think it's gonna work now.
It's gonna work.
You think it's gonna still mow grass?
Hell yeah.
Alright. Let's finish pulling her out then.